Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be showing how the commutative property of multiplication applies to both addition and multiplication. In the past we learned that the commutative property, which is the rule that it doesn't matter what order the numbers are in for you to get the same answer, we learned that that rule applies to addition. As we learned from before, 2 plus 4 is equal to the same thing as 4 plus 2, which is 6. So in this case, it doesn't matter what order the numbers are in, you still get the same answer. For multiplication, it's the same thing. Let's see how this works with a problem. Say, let's solve 8 times 4. If you know it by heart, you would know that the answer is 32. Otherwise, you could always translate it into an addition problem. So for this one, it would be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, which equals to 32. What if we tried to do 4 times 8, which is when we switch the numbers around? If we translated that into an addition problem, it would look like 4 or 8 fours added together. So that's 7, 8. This, when you calculate it, also equals 32. So 4 times 8 equals 32. This means that 8 times 4 is equal to 4 times 8. So we just learned that the commutative property applies for multiplication, and it doesn't matter which order you multiply them in. However, remember when you're doing vertical multiplication, it's standard procedure to write the number with more digits on top. For example, if you take the problem 11 times 3, the best way to write this problem so you can solve it using the methods that we learned would be 11 times 3. This way you can multiply the ones column first and then diagonally, so we get the answer 33. It's more difficult to multiply it if you write 3 times 11. The numbers don't work out perfectly because you don't know which direction to multiply in. So to stay consistent, we should stick with writing the number with more digits on top. That's how the commutative property works in multiplication. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.